Senator Oketh, Eddy.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I didn't want to respond to Senator Cherargei's allegation of members of the mediation committee because I knew I was coming after him, and I didn't want him to enjoy any standing orders time because I think that it's important that Senator Cherargei understands that the senators who are sent into the mediation committee, most of them are actually experts in finance and experts in matters mediation as well, where we did a give and take situation. And Senator Cherargei must also take time to also read some of the conversations that go in between these two houses. For instance, Mr. Speaker, Senator Cherargei must understand that when the mediation committee did go to talk about the money that wanted to be added to counties, number one, both the COG and the National Assembly was stuck in a figure of 391. That meant that in this financial year, the counties could only have been added about 6 billion, Mr. Speaker. And that was a hard figure that we could not be, that people were not able to move. But the team from the Senate, where a member like me, Senator Eddy Oketh, sits, were able to go and argue for 400 billion, which actually increased 9 billion above what the National Assembly had put. And Senator Cherargei must also know that of the 30 billion that we were proposing as a Senate, which we passed in this House as a Senate, four of those items were non-discretionary items, meaning they were items that are fixed, that you cannot be able to move in any way. But the bigger chunk of the 30 billion that we are proposing...
I want to draw your attention to the provisions of Standing Order number 99 on anticipating debate. The direction you are headed to is with regards to what that mediation committee is yet to table tomorrow. Please stick your arguments and your contribution to supporting the Public Finance Management Amendment Bill, Senate Bills number 40 of 2023, within the relevance of it.
Chair, I wish you could have said that to the senator, because if you allow Senator Cherargei to throw aspersions on a wonderful mediation committee Senator and use that entire time, Chair, I'm just responding, and then he gets away with it, and then when I'm trying to frame
Senator Eddy,
my conversation within the same context.
Senator Eddy, okay. Kindly confine your comments.
Chair, I get that, but I think it's unfair. It's really unfair to allow an honorable member to throw aspersions to a serious committee that did a good work to give counties money and get away with it. And when I'm trying to counter that, I'm confined to that. I think that is stifling debate. No, I don't have a problem with the ruling chair, but I think that is extremely.
Proceed and.
Chair, do you want me to debate, or do you want me to go and sit down?
Proceed, Senator Eddy.
Because you're not going to teach me how to debate, Chair. That is not being
Senator
fair.
Eddy.
Because...
Senator Eddy, kindly resume. Take your seat.
You can't allow...
You're out of order. Senator Eddy, you're out of order. Senator Mungatana Danson Buya.
Bwana Spika, ningependa kuchukua nafasi hii kushukuru kwa kunipa nafasi na mimi nitoe maoni yangu kuhusu sheria hii ambayo tunaijadili mchana huu. Bwana Spika, sheria hii haswa inaongea